Hello everyone. So in this video we will talk about AWS community program. So if you want to become a part of community of like-minded professionals and who share your interest in AWS, check out this AWS community program. So in this video we will explain what program is, how to join and its many benefits. So before starting this video I will show you how I got selected in this program and what benefits I am getting. So let's start. So if we talk about my journey, so I applied for this program on October. So first I filled the form, so basic form where I filled the basic information about me and like what I am doing, like a student or professional. Told about my journey about AWS, like if I am posting any blogs or helping others to explain about the AWS, you can also paste your AWS blog links or like any social media where you are sharing your AWS knowledge. Then after applying this, so after filling this form, you will get a notification about from the AWS community builder about the selection. If you see that the I got this mail around after 2 months, like I got selected for this program. So after getting this email you will get NDA after 2 or 3 days. You need to sign that NDA, and after signing the NDA, this NDA is normal NDA and it will not affect your like current company or individual. And after signing the NDA you will get then you will get the private Slack link where you need to join, and after joining the Slack you will get the access to AWS community builder groups. So before talking about the benefit of this program, you should know about like what is AWS community builder. So if you are a AWS user looking for ways to network with other professionals and learn new skills and stay up to date with the latest cloud technology, then AWS community program might be exactly what you are looking for. So what is it exactly? So AWS Community Program is a global program designed to help AWS users connect with their peers and share knowledge and learn new skills. Program consists of a variety of different resources and include AWS meetups, AWS summits, and online training courses and certification support. The program will accept limited number of members per year, and I will show you like the where you will fill this form and all other things. And if we talk about the benefits of this program, so you will get the access to AWS product and information about new service and features. So what mean is this, like you will get a notification of from the AWS and get these seminar links where they will explain about this feature before launching to the market and public for the public. And you will get the mentorship from AWS subject matters on a variety topics, like if you want to learn about the AWS Amplify or SIC AEC2, you will get the top leaders from the AWS where they will explain about the all other things. And other than you will get the AWS professional credits about AWS will give you 500 AWS credit where you can experiment the new things on AWS using these credits. And also you will get the AWS certification voucher where you can take this exam for free. This voucher will valid for only 12 months, so you should need to give this AWS certification in within 12 months. And last, you will get the free swags. So AWS will send you free kit swags where the all you can see in this picture what we will get in the swag kit, welcome swag kit. So if we talk about the eligibility criteria, so any individual who is 18 or older and passionate about the building and AWS can apply to this AWS Community Builder program. And if we talk about the application process, so this application process is open to AWS Community Builders worldwide, and all interested individuals are welcome and encouraged to apply. And all these are things are free for you, like this program is free for all members. And last we talk about the like how to apply for AWS Community Builder program. So next we will go to official AWS website. So last we have like how to apply it for this AWS community builder. So I will provide this link where you will get the all information about this AWS community builder program. So you can see like add your name and to a wait list. So currently this the registration are closed, so therefore it's showing only like a waiting list. So you can add your name and email, and then a program will open, then AWS will notify to you, then you can apply to this program. So if you go through this page, like it will explain about the all information. You can see that application form of this program is currently closed. It will reopen in July 2023. So you can mark this date and you can come to this website and apply for this program. And you will see like all other things, like what the benefits of like AWS Project team, and get information about new features, learn about the AWS subject matters. You can get professional candidates and opportunity to connect with others people and attend these webinar and events of AWS. You will get the all program FAQ. You're like who can apply to this program, what is the criteria of becoming this for becoming a member of the AWS community beginner, and how long does the community program last. You can see the all FNAQ. This is all about AWS community builder. So if you are new to cloud, or like you want to start into cloud, or you are a professional or working, then this program is for you. Like you will get the explore to the AWS services for free and all other things. So now that you know about the AWS community program is and what is offered, now how can you get involved? It is easy. Just go to this website, fill the form and fill the basic information, and all done. So that's all I want to give you information about this program. If you like this video, like and share this video with others, and thank you so much.